rundown of stories that we have for you today. First up is an announcement from our friends over at Solo IO because they have a new addition to their Glue platform. Gloo Fabric, I see what you did there, builds on the existing platform with some features like a unified control plane, multi cloud networking management, and centralized policy management. Now, in the press release, Solo IO says that these new features are designed to solve some of those challenges of Cloud Native 2.0. If you're still running Cloud Native 1.0 and you're wondering what those new features are, that would be Zero Trust Service Mesh, modern API management, microservice clusters, and a whole bunch of bug fixes in an effort to bring you a new, exciting Cloud Platform 2.0, whatever. That's every release note on the App Store. But thankfully, Gloo Fabric fixes all of those problems. Stephen, how can the people that are looking to maybe adopt the Gloo's platform from Solo IO, how can they use it in their deployments? What did you find out when you looked this up?
Yeah, this is well, honestly, we've been very, very impressed by Solo IO. They've presented its field day for a few times now, Cloud Field Day. Most recently, actually, just earlier this year, where they talked about their service mesh in quite a lot of detail. If you're not aware of what's going on, honestly, I feel like the brand name, not Solo IO, Glue, really tells the story. That's what they're making. They're making glue. And in the modern world of applications, that's what the world needs, right? Um, they started with a couple of different technologies. As you mentioned, you've got zero trust and APIs and dynamic discovery of resources and so on. In the product, they've embraced this whole service mesh concept. But think about it this way. Glue now has a gateway that allows you to modernize more traditional applications. They have a service mesh that allows you to modernize microservices and VMs in a highly scalable way on public or private cloud with Kubernetes. And now they also have cross-cloud capability with Gloo Fabric, where they can build a multi-cloud control plane, have multi-cloud connectivity, really a truly integrated system that crosses clouds. And I think that this is really what's interesting and important about this product. We've heard again and again that companies are very interested in having or in not being only in one cloud. The problem is that if you're trying to build multi-cloud, the easy way to do it is basically to abstract everything all away. So you're basically just using the clouds as infrastructure, which is not really a great way to do it. A much better way is to build a truly integrated cross-cloud solution. And that's really what Gloo is trying to do, or Solo IO is trying to do with their Gloo Fabric. They're trying to build something that truly integrates both on the Kubernetes side as well as on the cloud side and gives you a real cross-cloud capability. I love it. I love what they're doing, and I can't wait to hear more from Solo IO about this.